In the twilight, a river whispers secrets of the day it has passed. It flows seamlessly, a gentle guide guiding us to peaceful escapes. As the river meanders, it carries burdens quietly, with grace and calm acceptance. The water teaches us about life's continuous journey into the night. With each ripple, the river reflects the moon's glow. A celestial dance unfolds. We find peace in the river's embrace, allowing it to cradle us softly. In seeking the river's wisdom, the fisher connects with timeless essence and flow. It invites embraces without resistance, and dreams carrying us beyond night's edge. Drawing closer to the river, we sense its soft breath, mingling with the night chill. It flows ever onward, a gentle reminder of acceptance and peace. The river speaks in whispers, layers of time floating upon night's embrace. With every curve, it invites us to join its story, serene and knowing. In the river's flow, the fisher finds echoes of life's perpetual movement. Embracing tranquility, he drifts along time's gentle stream of consciousness. Let the river wash away the cares of the day, as night whispers softly. With serenity held in liquid motion, embrace the comfort that flows freely. As stars sprinkle the night dome, they join the river's flow in perfect harmony. Let tranquility guide your rest, as gentle waves cradle your dreams onward. In the river's lullaby, you find solace carried by nature's tender currents. Rest now, adrift under the watchful stars, into dreams that welcome your being.